Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your car battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and anti-corrosion grease. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process to protect yourself from acid and electrical hazards. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Use your 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut on this terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. This order prevents accidental short circuits. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable. Now, connect the positive cable first, tightening the nut firmly. Then, connect the negative cable and tighten its nut. You're almost done. Double-check that both positive and negative terminal connections are tight and secure, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. This helps prevent rust and ensures a longer battery life. Finally, start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly. For more helpful tips and to find deals on smart speakers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.